Here's how to set up a new account in an Excel Ledger1 spreadsheet. Click on the Accounts button on the home page to go to the Accounts page. The first time you open an Excel Ledger1 spreadsheet, the Accounts table is empty as shown here. You can add your accounts by typing the names directly in the table or by copying and pasting from other sources. In this example, we're adding a Bank of America checking account. After entering the name in the Account column, select the type from the drop-down menu in the Type column. This is a checking account, so we select Checking from the drop-down menu. Next, select the account name and click on the long Go to Ledger button at the left of the screen. This opens the new account in the Ledger page. Clicking on the Input button at the left of the screen opens the transaction entry box. Now we can enter an opening balance for this new account. Enter the date of the opening balance in the Date box and select Deposit in the Action box. Select Opening Balance from the drop-down menu and then enter the amount of the opening balance. You're now ready to click on the green Enter button to create the beginning balance in the account. Wait a few seconds and the new transaction appears. Here you can see the new transaction has been entered. The balance is updated in column I and also in the upper left of the screen. Clicking on the Accounts button takes you back to the Accounts page, and you can see that the account balance has been updated here as well. This concludes the tutorial. Thanks for watching.